Section 5. Building a to-do application.
Make the application.
First, let's make a blank new component to use as the basis for our to-do app. Add a new component called list.vue and construct the file as shown. This is a basic empty component. Now, we add it to the app.js file to have it load instead of the home file we were working on earlier. Edit the app.js file as you see. Basically, we change home to list. Save and see if your app loads your new component. If you have any errors, double check you didn't miss something. Now, let's add a list view. Inside our stack layout, we can add a list view with a for attribute that will pull to-dos from the to-dos array. We use vTemplate to make a template for each entry in the array. Inside the template, we'll add a label to show the text for each entry. Now, we need to add the to-dos array to a data property of the component. We can use square brackets to indicate an empty array. Save and check your app for errors. It will still be blank as we have not added any to-dos for it to list yet. Let's add some mock to-dos for our list. Inside the array, we will create a couple of mock to-do objects. Using curly brackets, create two objects with a text property for some fake to-dos. Okay, great. They are kind of small though. Let's style them a bit. First, we add a class for our to-do label. And in the style section, we can add the class and style it. Let's give it some padding and make the font a bit bigger. Okay, the font is still not big enough. Let's double it. Much better. Now, let's add an action bar to add new entries. Remove the / for the action bar and give it a closing tag so we can add some items inside. We can add an action item button for Android and iOS with properties for each. We'll run a method called addToDo we will create. And the system icon and position properties are platform independent. They use system icons that the platform has already built in. Great, the button does not work yet as we have to add the method first. Let's clear out our mock to-dos and add our method. Add the methods property to our component and add a new function called addToDo. We can use the prompt again to prompt for a new to-do as in our previous example and push the entry as an object into our to-dos array of objects. Great.